Hey guys, if you have ever come to a piece of music where you skip over a certain section because it just looked a little too tricky, or you avoided a whole song altogether because the rhythm just looked too much to handle, I've got some tips for you to go back to and try those songs again. So let's take this song, Echo Sace in G major, as an example. You can see for this little section that we are going to look at, it looks pretty tricky. We've got articulations, we've got notes moving all over the place, there's double notes. It's a lot to look at. So let's just take the rhythm and write it out. So here it is written out, just playing one note at a time in a straight line. We don't have to worry about what the notes are, articulations, or where our hands are moving. Now we can just clap the rhythm. The time signature is in 2/4, so we're going to be counting 1 and 2 and. Remember with the 16th notes, they are like a 1-E and a. So this is how the rhythm goes, and we are just going to clap the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 1-E and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1-E and a 2 and a lot easier. So now when we play it, the counting, we've already worked that out. We've already worked out the rhythm. Now we know when we play the note is correct. We just have to focus what those notes are. 1 and 2 and 1-E and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1-E and a 2 and a. Much simpler. Now if we want to put our hands together, we can choose to clap the left hand by itself. We can also try to just tap the left hand. So with the right hand playing, the left hand is just tapping on the 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 1-E and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1-E and a 2-E and a. So there's a lot of tools there to help you with putting a song hands together or just focusing on one hand at a time. Remember to always use your metronome when you practice because that will help keep you on a steady pace and a steady beat. You can also try listening to a song first, but try out a few things of your own. Let me know. Comment below what works for you, and I'll see you again.